Welcome to Speak Easy channel.
Ashley, I have a problem. A big problem.
Okay, tell me, what is it?
I went outside and I forgot my key.
You forgot your key? Oh no.
Yes, I closed the door. Now the key is inside.
Oh, you locked yourself out.
Yes, I locked myself out, and it gets worse.
Worse? What do you mean?
My phone is also inside.
No key and no phone?
Exactly. I can't open the door. I can't call anyone.
What about your roommate?
He will come back tonight, very late.
So you can't go in until tonight.
Yes. What should I do?
Well, you have one free day now.
Free day? I feel nervous.
Don't worry, maybe this is a good thing.
A good thing? Really?
Yes, you can try one day without a phone.
One day without a phone? That sounds scary.
It can be fun. We can go out.
Go out? Where can we go?
Let's start with the library.
The library? Okay. But how can we go?
We can take the bus.
The bus? But I need Uber. I need my phone.
Not today. Today we use the bus.
Okay, let's try. No phone, no key, just the bus.
This is the bus stop for the library. We wait here.
Look, the bus is coming now.
Say, 1 ticket to the library, please.
1 ticket to the library, please.
Perfect. Now take the ticket.
Got it. It feels strange.
Why?
Everyone is on the phone, but I have no phone.
Look outside. Look at the trees and buildings.
Oh, nice view. Better than a small screen.
Without a phone, you can see the world.
I like that.
Here we are. This is the library.
Wow, it's big and very quiet.
People come here to focus. Focus, you mean pay attention.
Exactly. So many books. I don't know where to start.
Let's find something about cooking.
Cooking books in the library?
Yes, books for everything.
This place feels comfortable.
Books give full information, not small pieces.
I feel calm. Very calm.
Let's rest our eyes and go outside.
Outside where?
The beach.
Wow, the sea is so big.
Wide and open.
The waves never stop.
The sea is alive.
I usually see this on my phone. Now I see it with my eyes.
Remember with your heart, not with photos.
I feel relaxed. I don't miss my phone.
Let's go to the cinema.
A big screen movie? That sounds exciting.
This is the lobby.
So many movie posters.
Our seats are in row 6 in the middle.
The screen is huge.
The sound is loud and strong.
I feel like I'm inside the story.
Did you enjoy the movie?
Yes, very much.
The city looks different at night.
I saw more today. I thought more too.
Like what?
Life can be full without a phone.
That's a great thought.
I feel calm and proud.
You should be. You practiced English all day.
4 places, 4 experiences, and many new words.
Repeating makes words strong.
Less phone, more learning. I like it.